John Deere TRS-21 Snowblower Instructions. The John Deere TRS-21 is a walk-behind snowblower that is designed to force snow off hard surfaces such as driveways and sidewalks and move it to the side in order to create a clear path. Available for purchase online and through select home retail stores or dealers, the snowblower should only be operated by adults due to the weight of the machinery, the use of electricity, and moving parts that may cause serious injury or even death if improperly used. Things you'll need: clean cloth S. Connect the power cord to the John Deere snowblower and plug into an electrical outlet that can support at least 120 volts. Turn the main power key to on. Move the choke lever to the closed position. Push the primer bulb once if the ambient temperature is above 15 degrees Fahrenheit and push the bulb twice if the temperature is below 15 degrees Fahrenheit. The primer bulb is located above and slightly to the right of the choke lever. Pull the starter handle in a fast and constant motion to start the engine. The starter handle is located next to the primer bulb. Release the starter handle and gradually move the choke lever to open. Move the snowblower forward to remove snow and create overlapping sections. Turn the key to stop when the task is completed and unplug the unit from the power supply. Wipe the snowblower dry before storing.